What is up, YouTube? It's your boy StaticLord here, and today for you guys I have a video. This is the first video of a series called How to Create a Prison Server. I basically in my free time kind of made a huge server that I don't want to complete, but I know a lot of stuff and I have a bunch of knowledge crammed up. So I'm going to teach you guys plugin step by step on each plugin, for like one plugin per video, on how to create a mine. I'm not going to make all the mines. I'm just going to do plugin by plugin. I'm going to have a plugin list down below with an asterisk next to the plugin we are using that day specifically. There is some extra plugins you're going to need for this, and that is World Edit with the PrisonMine plugin, which is the plugin we are doing. And this is how you are going to create a prison using PrisonMine. So, a prison mine using PrisonMine. Now there are a bunch of new plugins that, like, I know I'm going to have to show you guys regions and stuff. But yeah, basically, whatever, just don't worry about the other plugins, even if you're thinking like, oh, we're obviously gonna make it whatever you guys think. Like, that thing doesn't matter right now. We're just doing a mine. So first off, you want to figure out how big you want your mine to be. Like, this is mine. I like to do glowstone and bedrock so they can see while they're mining. Just figure out how big you want the square at the bottom to be. Now once you do that, you select it using your wand, which is a part of Minecraft Edit, or World Edit, my bad. And you do //wand. You have it. It's a wooden axe. You select for the first position, and you select the second position, and then you type this. Sorry guys, there's kind of a, I kind of just tried it and it didn't really work too well, so now that I figured out my mistake, I'm restarting the video. So yeah, you don't do that. You do //set bedrock, glowstone if you want the same look as mine. No spaces. So bam. And then after that, you build up to how high you want it on one side of your mine. Like, I'm just gonna do it for this because I already made it over there. So, and then you take the bottom and then you just do that again. You go up in the chat and then just keep doing it all the way around. And now once you've done that, you go up here and you do something else very quick. You select that, go down here and select that. This is going to be the side that you want your ladder to be, like right there. And then you, whatever you want your theme to be, I'm just going to make this a stone theme just because like it's not mine I'm actually going to use. So that's set 1, and then you go into in the middle, which is, wait 1 second, these aren't duplicates actually, so I can't count it. 1, 2, 3, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I'm actually not going to keep this centered because I have no clue what I just did. That's kind of awkward, just act like this never happened. And yeah, I usually make my ladders 3 long, so let's just say it goes like that. Now the next step what you want to do is delete this part. Right there, //set air. Now that, and then I can place the ladders down next, but we're gonna wait a second. Now we're gonna actually go into creating the mine using PrisonMine. If you want to, you know, go in opposite corners like this. I don't know if you guys have used World Edit before. Hopefully you have. Select one, and then you go in the opposite corner on the bottom of the mine, and then do // sorry guys again. Create, and then the name of your mine. I'm gonna make mine test just because that is what I want it to be, because it's a test. Like you see /mine list. I have all these mines that I made, so yeah, I kind of know what I'm doing. Now you do /mine. Well, yeah, okay. Just so you guys know, every time you create a mine, you automatically are set to edit it, but every time you restart the server, you do /mine edit and then the name of your mine. See, it's no longer selected. Mine edit test. Now you've been selected again. Okay, so now you're, sorry, I just pulled up this thingy by accident. And now you have, yeah, the test. So now you do /mine plus what, and then with the block ID of whatever number you want. Let's just say like I want stone, and stone is the first one, and then I want it at 100%. So I put 100%. And now if I just also did mine -1, then it automatically takes out 100%, because if I do mine +1 without the 100, it automatically puts in 100. So now I have 100% stone. So now if I were to do mine reset, and since I'm on edit mode, I don't need to do mine reset test like this. I just need to do mine reset, not resets. Now I have a bunch of stone, and if I was to mine reset, gone, back again. So yeah. Now, if you want to do different percentages, we're just going to do 25% stone. So you're going to do +1. No, now I have to do -1 again. -1. Mine +1, 25, because it stands for the percentage, 25%. And then let's just say you wanted dirt or grass, 25%. And then whatever is 3, 25%. There's dirt. And then whatever's 4, 25%. Cobblestone. /mine reset. It's gonna be goofy looking. Yeah, so now it's 25% in the whole entire mine. So that's pretty cool. And now what you want to do with that is, okay, let me go show you something. Now I make my mines like this. You can like make it look however you want. I just make it like this. It's pretty simple. But yeah, I've made better ones. Let me show you a better one, because this is where I've gotten sloppy, because I'm just tired of making mines at this point. Here's a decent one, I guess. I don't know what mine this is. What mine is it? /warp-f. Yeah. So yeah, there's a bunch of cool stuff like that, and then redstone and whatever /warp. I think that was near like Q. Yeah, Q's right here. So it's just right over here again. And yeah, here we are again. So yeah, you can make it whatever theme you want, but I'm not going to build that outside now. But basically how you would do that is you make it however big you want and however far out you want, like this. And then you select it here. And then you select it here or whatever, just randomly, not making measurements or anything, /set 1. Now that's happened. Now you can make that for all 4 sides and then up the walls, but I'm not going to go into that any further. So now you can place ladders here. I'm not going to do that, but you can pause this video and do that now if you like. And now the next thing we're going to do is set warp. Let's just say whenever the mine resets and somebody's in it, you don't want them to just go to the top there. You want them to do /mine set warp. And now, okay, let me show you an example. /mine reset. Now I'm up here while the mine resets. So that's pretty cool. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna do /mine trigger time, and then however much time you want. I usually do 360 for 6 minutes, cause yeah, it's just a good time, I think. And yeah, you're almost there now. You have the mine resetting, you have everything around it set up, and you have whatever you want in the mine now next thing you want to do is, well, next thing that I do is, you don't have to make it look exactly like this, /give sign, is get a sign. Oh dang, I'm about to make that so smooth. Get a sign, and then I usually like to place it on 2 blocks. You can place it however you want, and then you go into this message. This is just what I like to do. I'll leave a link to all the thing, to like the plugin description, so you can do whatever you want. Like, it'll show you what all you can type variables wise, and variables are like if you type, like, I don't know, I'll show you a sneak peek. End time, then you right click it. It's not working. I don't know why it's not working, but yeah, it's a variable. There's multiple variables you can try out, test what you want. But what I do on my PrisonMine is I do this test, the M, and then the name of your mine, which is M equals test with the capital whatever, will reset in end time minutes. See? Now we're setting 4 minutes and 20 seconds. So now if I were to do mine reset, the timer resets too. And now if I do mine reset all the mines reset. So now this is coordinated with all the mines that I have already created. And now the next thing you're gonna do, well, the next thing I do is you do whatever that thing is, I forget what it's called, test again has, and then you do p blocks, and then percentage left. I don't know a better way to word this. If you can figure out one, be my guest. Oh, I put it on the wrong side, whatever. You right click it, and then it tests as 100% left of the blocks in it. So now if I delete some, 99.97, so it's toggle downfall. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's basically how I did all mine. Simple as that. Can go easy, quick. You can make it however you want to look, whatever the percentages of everything in it you want it to be. And that's basically a simple tutorial on how you use PrisonMine. So I hope you like, subscribe, and comment, and wait for the next video. Yeah, I might have this world out for download soon enough here, so yeah, if you guys want me to do that, give me a like and comment that you want it, and subscribe. Thank you. This is StaticLord signing out.